world. So, since I take the world as it is, we have to negotiate our way through that and see, how best we can do for our own country. Because at the end of the day, for a government, for a commissar of the government, you fight for your business. You fight for your business because you're fighting for your employment. You're fighting for your comprehensive national power, of which business makes a very important contribution. I think today the lines, dividing different domains have eroded. I think overall, if you see in international relations, I think it's a less restrained culture today than it was, say, a decade ago. And that's something we all need to come to.
जिसकी थोड़ा बहुत अनुभव स्पेडेक्स से भी हुआ है, उसको बार बार कर करके और अधिक अनुभव और क्षमता हासिल करने का प्रयास रहेगा। ये दोनों रॉकेट ऊपर जाकर के अर्थ के ऑर्बिट पे जुड़ जाएंगे, डॉकिंग होगा, फिर वहां से जब वो चंद्रमा के ऑर्बिट पे जाएंगे तो अलग होकर के डिसेंडर और असेंडर मॉड्यूल नीचे उतरेंगे। डिसेंडर मॉड्यूल सैंपल इकट्ठे करके वापस लौटने के बजाय वहीं रह जाएगा। असेंडर मॉड्यूल वापस जाएगा, फिर से डॉकिंग होगी बाकी के रॉकेट के साथ, और फिर वो जो ट्रांसपोर्ट मॉड्यूल जब नीचे आएगा अलॉन्ग विद द री एंट्री मॉड्यूल, तो धरती के ऑर्बिट में आकर के वो फिर से अलग हो जाएगा और आते समय मूलतः केवल 10% उसका वजन रहेगा, क्योंकि सारे मॉड्यूल धीरे धीरे अलग होते रहेंगे। तो ये रिपीटेड डॉकिंग अनडॉकिंग की प्रैक्टिस भी रहेगी, जिससे हमें अपनी क्षमताओं का भी आत्मविश्वास आएगा, कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, और आने वाली हमारी जितने भी मिशंस हैं उसके लिए भी हमें अनुभव रहेगा।
इसी से हम एसोसिएट करते हैं। और 30 सेकेंड मैडम, a state should be secular in nature, but through this 4% Muslim reservation, the Congress government in Karnataka is incentivizing religious conversion into Islam, and a state cannot take such measures. Madam, itna hi nahi, madam, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हैज बैंड पीएफआई एंड केएफडी, और जो बेकार बैठे हैं पीएफआई के केएफडी के लोग, उनको इस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से काम देने के लिए कांग्रेस सरकार ने ये काम कर रहे हैं।
Speaker Madam, I need to highlight pressing issues in my constituency which need urgent attention from the Forest Department about the human and animal conflict, madam. In just 1 month, 4 people have lost their lives in Harayalli, Bikodu Hubli due to elephant attacks. The situation is out of control in Beluru, Sakleshpur and Alur taluks. Families are grieving, farmers are scared, and the livelihoods are at risk, madam. In past 25 years, around 82 lives have been lost. Farmers are no more they are growing paddies. The coffee plantation has been destroyed. The workers have lost their life. Lost their wages due to fear of their life, madam. The elephant population is now around 80 in my region. Removing them from one place to is the only temporary relief, madam. We need a permanent solution. I urge the ministry through you, madam, to create a dedicated elephant corridor grant for Sakleshpur and Belur taluks, creating ideal habitat to the elephants that they won't enter the villages again, madam. The most importantly, I request a dedicated fund under NDRF for Hassan district to compensate the families who affected died from the elephant attacks, madam. This is a crisis. The people of Hassan are tired of living in the fear. We request to action, madam. This is my humble request. Kindly take the attention from the Forest Department, madam. Thank you.